Hi guys, this is Mitch, living life in Dubai. Continue with the unboxing vlog. I just want to let you know that the video it's not complete. I don't know what happened with the other videos, but I was using my sister's camera. So thank you so much, Jean, for letting me use for your brand new DSLR. Thank you for being kind enough, and to Judy as well for joining us, joining us with the unboxing. But basically, I just tried to redo the video or unboxing at the end, but I will still share what I have from the video, and I hope you will enjoy this. Again, the main message of this video, we're not bragging, and we're not bragging that we have gifts. The main important thing there, or the main message of this video, is whether it's Christmas or not, share your blessings, because at the end of the day, it's really good to share your blessings, no matter how big or small it is. It really counts, and it still helps. Being here in Dubai is really difficult for me, and like I feel like I started from scratch. I don't have any money. I'm broke. I mean, I do have money, but enough to pay my rent here and for my food. I'm basically broke. I never thought that I could spend Christmas with anyone. So I really feel touched that at least I have someone, my sister and Judy, with me, who is very kind enough to guide me throughout the process, and who is very generous enough to give me a helping hand. No, it may not be really financially, but at least they are there to share their blessing with me. I never really thought to receive, I didn't really expect to receive anything this Christmas, and I was really shy with the group, but they never let me feel that I'm different, that you know I'm nothing. So I had really fun. Thank you so much. I think they call the group here Oregon group from the shirt they gave me. So thank you so much. And I really hope, guys, and to my sister and Judy, I really hope that you will have more blessings come your way, because you're really kind and generous. And yeah, I'm out of words to say. And the beginning of this video would be a bit awkward because it's their first time to join in a vlog, and I'm also awkward talking in front of them. But yeah, let's continue with the video. Thank you so much and have a good one.
We got this
Ang
Judy. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year
Ang
from El.
As in, thank you so
Mia,
much.
baby.
Oh, from
Yeah.
Kuya El.
Kuya
This is my prize.
And
open.
yeah, and baby soon. Welcome to Lord soon.
Okay, let's open.
Magpapatulong yan sa akin.
Hindi. Easy lang po kasi madali.
Easy. Spell easy.
Easy. Like writing.
AC.
Galit.
Air conditioner.
Thanks for being me. Oh.
Thanks for being you. Oh, Judy. Oh, masisira na yung
Wala na yung pang-party ko bukas.
Mo.
1 week na ba yan?
Oo. Oh, wow. This is Body and
Bath and Body.
Bath and Body.
Baliktad ka palagi.
Always.
Bath and Body.
Oh.
So this is what Judy got. Wow. Shower gel. 1,000 wishes.
With yan, baso. Oh, shot glass. I think this is mine. Shot glass.
1,000 wishes. Fragrance mist.
Ito din. I have a new shot glass na naman.
Let me see.
This is the shot glass for my, alcohol drinking.
Are you an alcohol drinker?
No, I'm not, but I want to drink like
Yeah, like a pro.
a pro.
Na-record pang mukha ni...
So, thank you so much.
Who gave you that?
Kuya L, I think. Kuya L.
Thanks,
Pinian.
Kuya L, for the shot glass.
I think this is the
We
price
will
that Diana
got
got. Yeah, I think so.
from the game.
From the game.
So,
yeah.
thanks, Kuya Yael. Now Judy will be an alcoholic drinker.
I want.
Canton. And puro green. Ang cute-cute.
It's all green. That's fine.
Hanwa.
Oh, I have Sprite.
Guys.
What else?
Green.
Wow, bread. This is my favorite bread band.
And Sprite
Pancit
also.
Canton. Ay, wow, hand wash.
Yes.
Ang cute naman.
All green. Are you green-minded?
Green-minded.
Because it's the color of the year, diba?
Yes. Tea.
Oh, from Eggsy.
Wow!
Salat.
Ang sweet! Galing kay Edsing.
Hey, we have a lot of food today.
For our baon for tomorrow
Yes.
morning.
No, after,
Put it back.
after Christmas. After Christmas.
Oh, put it.
Us. Contact us, okay? So
Patingin
nice.
sa malapit. Lovingly yours. I send my special love to you.
So nice.
It's handcrafted with love.
Yeah, I know it's yours. Don't worry. Just put that. You want to try, Michelle?
Napaka-creative nila. Try mo sa sarap.
Just try. Just take a bite.
Just contact them, guys, if you wanna order. Contact.
Bibi, sa'yo to? Hindi
kay
sa'yo.
Bibi yan. Kay Bibi.
Bibi, come here. Come here, Bibi.
Ang galing naman. Sila lang nag-ano
Oo,
niyan.
sila lang gawa.
Nag-set up soapbox lang yan, tapos nakaganyan.
Yeah.
Nila. May sa short.
Sports.
Oh!
Sure.
So nice.
Thank you. So
Oy,
nice.
kanindot ba?
Okay, first thing I got is this box. Let's start from this box. Double purpose. I could actually use this box as an organizer. So I got some chocolate date almond cocoa dark, extra dark. So I have this. And I was also given sunflower seeds. Oh, yeah. You know, guys, I just have one mug for my coffee. So I have another one. Thank you. I'm gonna be putting those on my pantry area. And I've got a towel. Yay, I now have a towel. A pair of socks, also chocolate Mars, and coffee, instant coffee. Yay, from Carrefour. It says congrats. So basically I won this from the Christmas party game in Mamsar Park. So I'm gonna keep this. Really cute. Next one I got is this from Bath and Body Works. This gift is from me. So I bought this for myself. I bought this candle, sweet cinnamon pumpkin, from Bath and Body Works, scented candle. And then next is I got this twisted peppermint. I really like this scent. It's sweet. There you go. I just got this tool for this two. They both smell sweet and I really like it. And then next, I got this from the Christmas party in Abu Dhabi as an exchange gift from Julie. Thank you so much, Jules. Let's see what I got. Oh, this one that was given by one of the friend. I forgot her name, but she's actually from Motion, Abu Dhabi. So thank you so much. She got me pink chiffon fine fragrance mist from Bath and Body Works. Then next, this is actually from my wish list. White bond. It says for eyes dragon fruit tea. It smells sweet too, and I really like it. This one, it has 3. This is the smallest size from Bath and Body. I don't know if this is from Bath and Body as well. I think no. White and Barn. This is from White and Barn. And I also got this. Wait. I also got this earrings. She gave me an earrings. Next is this paper bag. Paper bag. It says surprise bag. So I got this from the Christmas party in Mom's House. So thank you so much. They gave me a gift. So it has actually a lot, all greens, because I think, I'm not sure if it's mint green or something, you know. It's just it's like a family of green for the color of the hair. First, I got this. This is hand wash Spring Magic. I can definitely use this in the bathroom. And then next, I got some Sprite. Sprite and cookies. They gave me cookies. This is homemade cookies, chocolate cookies. And then what else? I got fruit bites, sour fruit chews, lollipops. I got some lollipops. Pancit canton. So this is really a Filipino thing for noodles. What else do I have? I got another chocolate. Oh, tea. I can definitely use this green tea. I got 4-pack of green tea. And I guess that's it. And we got the letter from Exane. Happy holidays from Princess Niana, Lay, and Shane. So that's it, guys. So let's go to the next one. And then next, I got this bag from Atelier. Thank you. So it would look like this. It's really cute. I like it. I can definitely use it in store, like my wallet, passport, and cell phone whenever I go out, or maybe just go to the market or grocery stores. And then this is from Shane. So thank you so much, from Scent by Women. Scent though. Got a lot of body mist or perfume. And what else? The last one is this that was given to me by my landlady at the team. Thank you so much. She gave this to me last night. And it's from Bath and Body Works open sky. Fine fragrance mist. See, I already got a lot from body mist and perfume. I'm so happy. This is what I received from Christmas, having all the presents. So thank you so much to everyone who gave me the gift, and yeah, I feel really thankful and blessed to receive this type of gifts from you guys. And I love you. Thank you so much. So that's it for today, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video of our unboxing. But it's just really simple. The message of this video is with or without gifts, the most important thing is to enjoy the Christmas.
Right.
Ayo, anong message nyo for this Christmas?
Give love on Christmas Day. Kahit hindi Christmas, give love pa rin.
Yeah, share blessings.
Share your
every day,
blessings
Christmas,
always.
And
Kahit kanino.
be kind and grateful for everything.
Yes,
Merry
ayan.
Christmas!
Thank you so
Merry
much, guys, for
Christmas!
watching.
Subscribe, Michelle!
Share!
Anong vlog mo? Mitch Vlog!
Mitch
Subscribe
is
now
familiar.
with us!
Yeah, thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Happy New
Christmas!
Year.
Happy New Year! Bye!
Bye.